This is a nice portable machine. It's a Smith Corona Super Sterling. This one's back. You can see the ribbon in there. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, T4 Vista. Follow us. It's a very nice portable machine. Probably mid-60s. Today we're putting a ribbon in for a Smith Corona Super Sterling. I'm going to use a pink ribbon, different color. First thing we want to do, I already removed the old ribbon. Always make sure that you write down or know which way the ribbon is turning. I did a little diagram here. So the wheel turns this way when it turns that way, it turns this way when it turns that way. So it pulls like this, and then it'll pull like this. So you want to make sure it goes in this way. When I insert the ribbon, it goes in through this little connector here, and then slides through like a floss. Slides through here, goes in this way. So we drop it in, slide it through the first little slot here, that little arm. Then I take like a piece of sloss. Usually I'll put it shift up to give me some more room to work with. Take this and we slide it in like so. So there we go. We slid it in between. It up. Make sure it's tight on this side too. So right there, it catches it. Make sure it's tight. We can release the lock. It goes up and down, up and down. Close it up.